Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl TaraLuvdiva. Hey, beautiful people. I just wanted to come on and reintroduce myself for the ones that don't know me. And for the ones that do know me, thank you for showing love for the many years I've been on YouTube. I might not have all the great big bells and whistles subscribers, but the ones I do have keeps me relevant. So let's get into the video. I'm just going to introduce who I am and what this channel is all about. Hey, beautiful people, welcome to my world. I'm TaraLuvdiva. I'm 57 years old. I've been on YouTube since 2009. My channel was hacked and then I got it back, and here we are today. This is your go-to space for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Elevated for grown, confident women my age and over, like 50 and over, like over. We're not old, we are seasoned. Okay, on this channel, we're getting into everything from makeup, and realness. Makeup that enhances your natural glow. Like now, I just have on poquito makeup, to stylish looks that I'm getting back into on budget. We're going from champagne life on a Goodwill budget. I said it. What I was saying, oh, looks on a budget, to the real life conversation about confidence, self-love, thriving after 50, close to 60, honey. I'm 2 snaps from 60. Because over here, because over here, we believe in looking good, feeling good, and living unapologetically. Let me say it again. Come here. Unapologetically. Hello. So whether I'm getting ready with you, sharing fashion finds, or just having a real sit down chat, you're in the right place. Come on. We in the right place. Hello. That's just me, silly and goofy. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, turn on this notification, so yeah, we use my hands, notifications, so you never miss a moment of this girl, this hair. Oh, come on, there we go. And before you go, check out TaraLuvdiva TV channel for even more content you're going to love. Welcome to the vibe. This is your girl TaraLuvdiva. Love and blessings.